Hi, I'm Andy with Eco-Chan, and we're here today to demonstrate how to make iced tea using a cocktail shaker, as we've come to the conviction that it does indeed make a much better tasting glass of iced tea. So we're going to put in about less than a teaspoon of honey here for quite a good amount of tea, for about 500 milliliters of tea. We're also going to put a squeeze of lime, just a little bit, maybe half a teaspoon. This lime is really intense, depending on what lemons or limes you are using. And we're making my personal favorite to date. This is tie guan yin with just a touch of lime and honey, as you've seen. The ratio here of tea leaves to water is about 1 to 40, so I put 10 grams of tea leaves in this 400 milliliter French press and brewed it for several minutes, a good 7 or 8 minutes to get the full brew out of it. And now I'm going to just shake this up. This tumbler was pretty full of ice when I poured the tea over it. Shake it for about 20 minutes, excuse me, about 20 seconds. You'd be dead by the time you got to 20 minutes. And you'll hear the ice cubes mostly melted by the time you get to about 15-20 seconds. It mixes up the sugar or whatever else you're adding to the tea, but most importantly, it aerates the tea and puts a nice foamy head on it, as you'll see in a second. Okay, that's quite a freeze on the cup here. And we're just going to pour it into whatever preferred glass or glasses. If you want to make 2 glasses out of this, this tumbler is 550 milliliters. So it will make a large Pilsner glass, or you can make 2 smaller 300 mils size glasses. And there you have it, as simple as that. Put your tea in your brewing vessel, brew it for several minutes at about 1 to 40, 10 grams for 400 milliliters. Add whatever additives you want or not. Pure iced tea turns out really well using the shaker method. Shake it up for about 20 seconds in a tumbler full of ice, and you have a wonderfully delicious concoction of iced tea. You definitely get the roast from the tie guan yin, but it just has a touch of, basically you can't even taste the honey in there, and a little bit of sourness from the lime. Really a fine recipe in my opinion. Experiment with any kind of tea you like, and share your recipes if you come up with a good one. We'd all like to hear about it. If you've liked this video, please like and subscribe, and share it with your friends so that everybody can enjoy quality loose leaf cocktail shaker iced tea. See you next time.